Good morning, folks. It's Luke at Pine Acres RV in Moncton. Taking a look at what just came in, 2021 Sunseeker by Forest River. Full body paint, C-Class. We got some bunks out front. Only 26,000 kilometers on this baby. We got a power awning, LED lights. Nice big slide over here, another slide over the other side. The generator. Love that paint. All right, the outside looks great. Let's go take a look inside. All right, walking into the Sunseeker. Oh, there's the model number. Haha. We do have lots of pictures of this unit. TV up here. There's the big bunk. Of course, these two front seats, they do swivel towards the living area. We got theater seats right here. The U-shaped dinette. Microwave. 3-burner stove. Shower right here. With a skylight. Bedroom with its own slide. Nice big window here in the back. Look at all the storage. Like that. Across the ways from the shower. That is a ceramic toilet. And the fan is exactly where it's supposed to be. A little bit of pantry right here. Whoa, look at this. Let me see. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. All right, finally got a video on this. Take a look at all the pictures, and hopefully we'll see you soon. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.